Here's proc contents. It's a great procedure for really large data sets. So suppose I have a data set here that's just really big and I don't know if all of the variables that are in the data set have been recorded. I'm going to pretend that this is a large data set right now. I've only got 12 observations and a few variables here. But if I'm not sure whether everything got encoded right, or if I've been away from the computer for a while and it would take a long time to run a print procedure, I might want to run something like a proc contents. It'll tell me the number of observations I have, number of variables, whether or not the data's been sorted, some page size, and things like that that are really super important for variables. It'll tell you when the data set was created, so obviously I'm giving myself away when I recorded this, but that's not really super important for this because we just created the data set. But if you're working with a permanent SAS data set, that can be interesting. And then it tells you the variable names in alphabetical order, and which variable it is in the list. So time 1 is the first variable in my data set. And then tells you types, and it'll also give you formatting and things like that. So for example, if I ran the proc contents again, except this time encoding group as a numeric variable instead of a character variable, you can see how it says it's numeric right there. And then one thing to make it a little bit shorter is you can use this short option before the end of that first semicolon, and then when you run it, it'll just give you the names of the variables. So you can just see a tiny little bit of what your data set's doing.